Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the volume profile right here on Quantower. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because if you go right in the top, you see here 5 icons. And if you select the most left icon right there, we enable this list right here in the bottom. Then right now what we're going to do is select right here step profile, and now we can enable right here or step profile. Then we select right here the volume type that we want to do, so self volume or by volume. And then after that, if you click this away, you will find right here your profile on the left. So this is how you can get the volume profile, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you don't have an account on Quantower yet, please check out the description where I put a link. If you click on that link, you can create yourself an account very easily and you support the channel. So please check out that link. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.